Indiana Beer Reviews. Welcome to another mystery taste challenge today. Today we're going to be doing Natty Daddy. This is coming in at 8% versus Hurricane. They're both 8%. They're both malt liquors. Well, actually, I don't know what this, but you can classify it as one, I guess, since it says it's 8%. This is 8.1% ABV. This was introduced in 2005 by Anheuser-Busch. This was introduced in 2011 by Anheuser-Busch. And yeah, I'm just going to be seeing if I can tell the difference in which one I like better. I have two of the same cups right here. This one has a sticker. I think I'm going to be putting the Natty Daddy in this one. This is just the one without a sticker, so yeah, that's gonna be how I know I'm gonna distinguish the difference between them. Yeah, let's just get straight into this. Actually, I might have to move my camera because probably can't really see that well. Sorry, guys. Making sure I get this view a little bad. Yeah, this is good. Got both the cups right here. Both beers right here. Natty Daddy number 1. Probably not going to fill these all the way up because they are 8%, so I'm probably not going to be able to drink both of them, but I'll fill it up to about there. Yeah, let's just do that for now. So there's a Natty. These are both by Anheuser-Busch, so I don't know, they should have a different taste still, but I guess we'll see. These are both 25 fluid ounce cans. This looks thicker, honestly, but I can't really tell. Just gonna let those heads settle down. Sorry I haven't been uploading, guys. I've recently just been drinking these because they're very cheap. Well, not like the 8%, but Milwaukee's Best Ice and Bud Ice and stuff like that. It's pretty cheap, it's pretty good. But once I run across something new, I'll be uploading it, or I should. I was gonna take a break from drinking or quit drinking just because I went through something recently, but I'm not gonna say that all on here. But yeah. So, I'm actually gonna put the camera back because we're ready now. Sorry guys, this is all over the place, but I'm gonna close my eyes and mix these the best I can. They look pretty similar. See if I can distinguish the difference of taste. I feel like I'm going with I like Natty Daddy better, even though they don't like the name, but yeah. Let's mix these guys. I'm gonna close my eyes though, so yeah. It's kind of hard to see what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna knock something off. Do it for like 15 more seconds because I'm definitely lost track already by now. Which one's which? My eyes are fully closed because I'm not peeking or anything. Okay, I'd say this was good because I've mixed them pretty well and I already forgot. Okay, gonna go with the beer number 1, whatever this is. Let's go for the smell first. Definitely very malty. Smell that alcohol for sure. 8% is kind of strong. Cheers, guys. Okay. Let's go for this next one. Beer number 2, and then I'm gonna go with which one I like better and which one I think is which. This one gives slightly more hop smell, I'd say, but not much at all. It's still malty. Let's go, guys. Taste test. That's difficult. Let me go back and forth, guys. I'm not sure. Beer number 1 again. Beer number 2. Damn, that's hard. They're both similar, but I think I like this one better, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and say this is Natty Daddy, also known as Natural Father, and this is Hurricane. But I could be wrong. Let me just open my eyes and see. I am right. Holy crap, I got that right again. This is Natty Daddy. And this is Hurricane. So yeah, I think I just like how Natty Daddy tastes. It's a little more sweeter and smooth. Compared to the Hurricane, this is more bold and maltier, in my opinion, but yeah. Definitely, like, not as malty tasting, it's more light, even though it is 8% in this one. It is sweet as well, but it has this more bold maltness to it. And you can see the difference in color as well. This is more, the Hurricane's darker than the Natty. Slightly. So yeah. I'm gonna go with Natty Daddy over Hurricane in this one. I'm not gonna ramble on much about these beers, but yeah, I thought this should just be a fun little video. Sorry I've been only uploading videos with these cheap beers recently, but hopefully I'm able to get some craft beers and or some other like beers you already know. Like I couldn't think of the word that was coming to my head. What's that word? I can't think of the word, guys, but beers from like Mexico and Europe. So yeah, I want to try those type of beers. And yeah, I'm going to end this video off here, and I'm going to suggest you guys come on down to Warsaw, Indiana. Thanks for watching. Get this off in 2 days. Can't wait.